What's the meaning of bellwether? Bellwether. Bellwether.
Bellwether. Bellwether. The term bellwether refers to a person, group, or thing that serves as a leader or indicator of trends in a particular area. It originates from the practice of placing a bell around the neck of a castrated ram, known as a wether, which would lead its flock of sheep as they followed the sound of the bell. Today, the term is commonly used in politics to refer to states or constituencies that are seen as indicative of national trends, as well as in finance to describe stocks or industries that are seen as leading indicators for the wider market. In general, a bellwether is something that others will follow or be influenced by.